Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. So for those of you, because a lot of you have come back to me saying, I've got Windows 11, I don't see the updates. Just a reminder that this month, September 2021, the Windows 11 operating system is still in the insider rings. So even if you opted out and all, you are on the beta channel if you are on the regular 22,000 build. So, which means that anybody that is, as I am here, on 22,000.184, which is Windows 11, remember it's not released yet. It's not released yet. That means that you're not getting the security updates in the same way as Windows 10. They are going to come with the next update that we get probably this coming Thursday. Now, next month, things are going to change because next month, when the operating system gets officially launched October 5th, that means that all our builds that are insider builds still on the beta channel will now become the real deal, officially Windows 11. So if we look at the calendar, next patch Tuesday is going to be on Tuesday the 12th of October, a week after the launch of Windows 11. So that means that on October 12th, now we're going to get the same updates as Windows 10. For those asking about the patch Tuesday updates, are they going to be exactly the same? The underlying code is very close, meaning that a lot of those updates are going to be the same for fixing the security flaws. But with the fact that there are some changes, there could be some more new ones that Windows 11 uniquely has that are not in Windows 10, for example. So starting next month, Windows 11 will get these security updates. And of course, if you stayed on the dev channel, which has build 22449, you're not getting those security updates in the same way. You're getting dev channel builds every week, which contain the security updates in them. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.